Whether Saskatchewan can prevail in any of this, I think, is going to be an uphill battle for them.
The carbon tax issue is back in federal court. Saskatchewan is doubling down on its argument that it's unconstitutional. It made the same case at the Supreme Court in 2021, but it was unsuccessful. Now Saskatchewan insists circumstances have changed. According to court filings, Saskatchewan believes an exemption to home heating oil undermines the federal legislation. That's why the province has stopped collecting and remitting the carbon tax on natural gas used to heat homes. The province wants to stop the CRA from seizing more than $28 million that Ottawa believes it's owed. The papers also show that number is actually more than $56 million. Saskatchewan also argued that it should not have to pay taxes to the federal government because one level of government can't tax another. That could be an extra challenge for the court to grapple with, according to legal experts.
If there's no federal law that can ever extract a tax or penalty from a provincial government, then it's really going to render ineffective a number of regulatory statutes from the federal parliament, including over environmental matters.
On Monday, a judge granted an injunction stopping the CRA from garnishing the money for now.
Certainly, we're optimistic and confident in our case and in the legal arguments behind the case that we will put forward.
Legal experts say the length of this case is likely to be measured in months or years, and it won't be easy.
It's, I think, a case that's being put forward with genuine constitutional arguments. But having a genuine constitutional argument doesn't mean winning.
The argument is certainly an ambitious one. To succeed, it would have to make new law. And so in all of these cases, if you're betting, you'd always bet on the status quo that Saskatchewan here is going to lose.
Experts also agree the court may not have the appetite to address a question it settled just a few years ago. Alexander Kwan, CBC News, Regina.